Alright, next step, we need to put our carb on. We did not disassemble our carb, but this is responsible for all our fuel delivery. Gas needs to be atomized, put it in the combustion chamber. That's the job of our carburetor. Okay. Now, if you labeled everything right, there's 3 gaskets, 2 of which we're going to put on right now. And we have to make sure, obviously, that we don't tear them because they are basically like paper. So we need to make sure that we don't tear them. We labeled this one spacer to head, and in preschool, if you learn that circle fits in circle, square fits in square, you should be able to put these gaskets on simply by looking at the shape. Okay. If we were rebuilding this engine, obviously we would put on new gaskets, but these old ones will still work. Okay. Once I get my first gasket on, I want to get my plastic spacer on there. Okay. When I go to slide this up, you remember it has this little channel in there for my spark plug wire to sit into. Okay. Also down here, I grommet for my wires. Kind of need to fit around it. Okay. Then I grab my carb spacer gasket. Put that on carefully, not forcing it. Gently putting that on. That should only fit one way. Double check this real quick. No. Just want to be perfectly sure I'm going on the right way. So double check it. I think this was our correct way. Again, be careful, don't tear it. There. When I go to put my carb on, it slides in this way. My throttle control's on the outside. Okay. As I'm sliding it on, I need to put my linkage in carefully while I'm sliding it on, because once it's in, it's too far, you won't be able to get your linkage hooked up. Okay, it's all the way off, you won't be able to get your linkage hooked up. You have to do it as you're sliding it on. Okay, so once your carb is installed here, you want to check to make sure all our functions still work. This is working like it should. Our throttle here likes to pop off every once in a while. Our linkage here is still moving freely, nothing's bound up. This is still on there. Everything looks good, everything's in shape. And then we'll move on to our next step. Okay?